Introducing the 13-amp 20-inch electric snow thrower from Greenworks tools. With an instant electric start and powerful 13-amp motor, quickly get the results of a gas-powered tool, but without the hassle, fumes, and maintenance that comes with one. Built with 20-inch clearing path and 10-inch clearing depth, plow through the thickest of snow with ease. The adjustable 180-degree directional chute enables you to displace snow up to 20 feet away in multiple directions. Work just effectively at night as during the day thanks to the dual built-in LED lights. The 7-inch wheels make it easy to maneuver the snow thrower over multiple surfaces. When finished, conveniently store or transport the unit thanks to the foldable handle assembly. The 13-amp 20-inch electric snow thrower from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver where and when it counts. Greenworks Tools. Life gets easier.